Hi everybody, I thought today I would show you how to fit a lot of units and appliances into a very small space. We've just fitted a new kitchen in our property in Stanmore Road in Mount Florida. I'm going to show you how we can fit everything into a really small space with some careful planning. Okay, let me show you. When we designed this kitchen, it had to fit in what is a really narrow space, so it's important to use every nook and cranny that we have. So in this particular kitchen we used the fact that there was quite high ceiling to increase the height of the units and put double heighted units in there, and also things like this extractor hood which is recessed into the unit, so you pull it out to get it to go on, and it hides away underneath the unit and gives you the unit space above, which is really handy. We also used a slimline dishwasher which helps, which is in here. The boiler is here, so we've used that small recess, and these open shelves really give a sense of space in the kitchen, I think, with a washing machine, drawer units which are obviously vital for cutlery and such like, the double oven, which means, double oven and microwave, which means that you're not having to have anything else on the work surfaces, giving you space to work, and the unit above and below, which helps for storage, and then the large fridge freezer at the end, which gives it quite a clean line and also gives you space to work when you're actually going to be prepping food in the kitchen. So really pleased with the outcome of this kitchen. I think it's worked out really well. Give you some ideas hopefully.